First, we need to create basics ledger for maintaining this entry. From Gateway of Tally, click on Create option and then click on Ledger option. You can create new ledger from here. I have already created, so I'm going to show you how you will be create. So first ledger we need to create of Suman salary account. This is the employee salary account under group indirect expenses. And next ledger we will create Suman salary payable account under group current liability and save this ledger. So basics ledger has been created successfully. Third ledger we need to create a Suman under group sundry debtors to whom we are going to sell this product. So we have already created employees name wise sundry debtors ledger. First we need to record a salary provision entry. If you are going to record salary provision entry for November month, so from Gateway of Tally, press V and select journal voucher, and from the right hand side select journal voucher, and by pressing F2 you can select the date of end of the month. Now we are going to debit Suman salary account. So debit the Suman salary account amount. Let's suppose her salary is 50,000 and Suman salary payable account will be credited with 50,000. You can mention in narration salary book for the month of November. So we have already booked salary provision entry for the month of November. Now if we are going to pay November month salary in December month starting, so let's suppose Suman asked some product, some stock from her company. So first we need to generate a sale invoice. So from Gateway of Tally, press V and select sales voucher, and we are going to make a proper invoice in the name of Suman ledger we have already created. In the starting of video I have shown you name of item. So select the name of item Suman has taken from her company. So fill quantity, how much quantity she has taken, and fill rate of the product, and we will apply tax CGST as GST. Now you can see sale invoice is ready. So sale invoice is 11,800. Its total amount. So 11,800 will be adjusted in Suman salary account. So let me show you. Open Suman account. So this is a Suman account. We have sold 11,800, which is showing in debit side. So let me open Suman salary payable account. So there is showing 50,000. So 11,800 will be adjust in 50,000. Before making salary payment for the month of November, we need to pass a adjustment entry so that Suman whatever stock has taken from her company, that amount will be adjusted and payable will be come out. So from Gateway of Tally you can press V, and from the right hand side we will select journal voucher, and Suman salary payable account will be debited with sale amount which we sold 11,800 will be debited, and Suman we have created under sundry debtors, that account will be credited. Now you can see. Now I'm going to show you Suman account. By pressing Alt plus F2 we can change the date. Now you can see Suman which we have created under sundry debtors, this account has been nil as because we have already adjusted. Now I'm going to show you Suman salary payable account. So salary, now the salary payable it's 36,000 something. So this is the payable amount. From the right hand side select payment voucher, and Suman salary payment account will be debited with 38,200 and from bank will be credited. In narration you can book salary paid for the month of November. So this is the accounting if your employees has taken some stock from your company and they told to adjust in their salary. So this is how you can adjust from their salary. I hope you will understand how you will be do this accounting in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime, and I'm going to tell you bypassing purchase entry. So from gateway of Tally, press V, and we are starting recording purchase entry. So from the right hand side, you have to select purchase voucher. By pressing F2, you can change the date of your purchase voucher. Field suppliers invoice number. By pressing Ctrl C, you can create from here your suppliers new ledger. So I'm going to create Suman Education Hub under group sundry creditors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Party complete address, state, PIN number, and GST. All the information fill and save this ledger. By pressing enter, you can save this screen. So uh, by pressing Ctrl C, you can create purchase account ledger under group purchase account. GST will be applicable, no, and select service. Here we need to create a stock item. So by pressing Ctrl C, we will create TB stock item. You can create here stock unit by pressing Ctrl C. I'm going to create pieces stock unit. If you wish, you can create number stock unit from here. GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail, yes. You have to fill HSN code and taxability. 18% tax rate will be applied on this product. Quantity will be 5 and rate will be 50,000. From here we need to apply tax. So by pressing Ctrl C, we will create tax ledger. I'm going to create CGST ledger under group duties and taxes, GST and central tax. Something like this you need to create as GST ledger. By pressing Ctrl C, I'm going to create as GST ledger, duties and taxes, GST and state tax. Now our purchase is done. So by pressing Ctrl A, you can save this purchase entry. Now let me show you what will be the impact of this purchase entry on balance sheet. So click on go to option and then open balance sheet. Now you can see there is a liabilities and assets. Both sides has been increased with the same balance, as because we have just record purchase entry. So our current liabilities has been increased as because we need to make the payment against this payment purchase. That's why current liability has been increased. And why asset size has increased? So asset side increased because of when we purchase, so our stock will be increased and stock comes under current assets. That's why assets side has been increased. So in this way you can also understand and you can also read the balance sheet when you purchase goods. So liabilities and assets, both the sides has been increased. So open Tally Prime. First we will create company. So click on create a company, and now I'm going to show you by creating new company we will start from the scratch. So I'm going to open new company. A company name is Suman Trading Company, and in mailing name same name will come, and in address you have to fill your company's address, and state you need to select. So I'm going to select my company's state, and then pin code number, telephone number, mobile number, fax number, email ID, website, and the next option is financial year beginning from. If you are creating your company in 2022-23, so financial year will be 1st April 2023, and starting from the date will be same. Now you can see company created successfully. Company has been created successfully. Click on taxation option and you need to fill all the GST details over here, like your GST number, your monthly return filer or not. So all the information fill, and by pressing Ctrl A, you can save this configuration. Now you can see I have opened balance sheet. One side is showing liability and another side is showing assets. Balance sheet is showing completely empty as because there is no transaction. So if you have taken loan from your bank, so I'm going to tell you first. We will pass bank loan entry and then I will show you accounting acquisition and what will the impact of that entry in balance sheet. So from gateway of Tally we need to press V, and we are going to pass bank loan entry. So first we need to create some ledger. So from gateway of tally, click on create option and then click on ledger option. I'm going to create here loan account ledger. Loan account ledger will be created under group secured and unsecured loan. If you have taken secured loan, so select secured loan group. If you have taken unsecured loan, so select unsecured loan. We are going to take loan from our bank, so this comes under secured loan. So I'm going to select secured loan and save this entry. So loan account has been created. Now the second ledger, you can create your current bank account ledger. By pressing Ctrl V from the gateway of Tally, you have to select receipt voucher from the right hand side. And by pressing Ctrl F2, you can change the date of your in which date you have taken loan. Let me tell you before recording this entry why we are selecting receipt voucher, as because we have taken loan from bank, something is coming in our business. So whenever something is coming in your business, so always you need to receive that through receipt voucher. That's why we have selected receipt voucher. And let me tell you one more thing, theory. So before telling theory, by pressing Ctrl C, you can create your bank ledger, something like this. I'm showing you on this screen. Your bank ledger under group bank account, your account number, IFS number, each and every detail you need to fill carefully. And let me tell you theory, which account will be credited and which account will be debited. So you have taken loan from your bank, so your bank will be credited and your current bank account will be debited. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. This is the golden rule of accounting. So the same rule will be applicable over here. Loan account will be credited, as because we loan account is giver, so that's why this account will be credited. Let's suppose we have taken 1 lakh rupees loan and our current bank account will be debited with, let's suppose there is a 2000 processing charges, so 98,000 we will receive in our bank, so 98,000 will be debited. And by pressing Ctrl C, we will be create processing charges, loan processing fee charges under group indirect expenses, as because this is ultimately indirectly expenses for our business. So loan was taken 1 lakh rupees. We have received in our bank 98,000 and 2,000 was loan processing fee. So this is how you can record loan taken from bank entry. Now let me show you what will be the impact of this entry on balance sheet. So click on go to option and then open balance sheet. From here you can see liability and assets. Both side has been increased with 1 lakh rupees. Why both side? As because you have taken loan from bank. So your company's, your business liability has been increased with 1 lakh rupees and you have received 1 lakh rupees in your bank, so your asset size has been increased, as because you have received money in your current bank account. So that's why if you have taken loan from bank, so your liability and assets both in